What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, and in today's video I'm going to give you 3 things you should know before you start investing in the stock market. So obviously it's a new year, and a lot of people want to try something new, whether it's in getting invested in the stock market, in real estate, starting a business, whatever it may be. But this video is mainly for those who are just beginning to invest or looking to start investing, or even those who have never invested but are just interested in knowing more about the stock market. So I'm going to give you 3 tips, and hopefully by the end of this video you're going to know what you need to know before you invest in the stock market. The first tip I'm going to give you is knowing what you're going to buy and knowing what you're going to sell. So you go into buying a stock with a plan. You know where you want to buy, what price you want to buy at, and you know that once you're in, you've purchased that stock, you know where you want to sell. You know the price you want to sell at. So for example, a stock is currently at $60, but you know you want to invest in it when it gets to $64. You're going to place your order, and once it gets to $64 and you're now in, you don't just hope for the best and wait for it to shoot up. You know you're leaving at $80, within the space of approximately 3 months, or you're leaving at $65 in a day, whatever it may be. You go into that stock knowing where you're buying and knowing where you're selling. Number 2, don't listen to anybody. And I mean that. Do not invest based on other people's opinions. Now, when you're new to the stock market and you're hearing a lot of stuff, everyone's talking about this stock, that stock, what's going to happen here, what's going to happen there. It's a common mistake for people to start investing in things because they hear a lot of hype about stocks because of other people. Now, the reason you can't do this is because a lot of the time, the people you're listening to have different views to you. They're going in there with a different intention. You might be going in there for a short-term trade. They might be going there for a long-term trade. Stuff like that. They might not even know what they're talking about. A lot of the time, it's all noise. So you can't go and purchase a stock just because you heard something about it from other people. Never invest based on other people's opinion. That's why you do your own research, so you know where you're buying, you know what you're buying, and you know where you're selling at. If you go in based on other people's opinions, you're not going to get very far. You might start off quite lucky, but before you know it, you're going to lose a lot of money, and it's not going to go well for you. Especially as a beginner, you don't just want to listen to anybody. Do your own research, and your profits will come. 3, know when to cut losses and know when to take profits. Now you might think this is similar to the first point, but it is not. Number 3 is for those who invest in a stock, but it doesn't go to plan. When you invest in something and the fortunes change, or it starts decreasing rapidly, or it starts shooting up and you think it's going to go up more, you need to know when to cut profits. You need to know when to cut losses. If you go into, let's say, Facebook at 160, and within 2 days it's at 185, but you knew you were going to sell at 185, then you're going to take your profits. If you didn't know where you were going to sell, you just hope it's going to keep going up and going up and going up. Guess what's going to happen? Eventually, it will start decreasing. You'll be like, oh, it's going to go up again soon. Nope, it's going to keep decreasing. Before you know it, you're in the negative. You're in the red. And you're going to be like, now what do I do? I'll wait till it goes up again. You lose more money. If you know when to cut your losses, if you say, I'm going to cut losses when it reaches 5%, I'm going to take profits when I've got a 10% return, you're going to survive. Doesn't matter. If you're in a profit and you don't know what you're doing, take profits. Honestly, just take your profits and leave, because no one ever went broke from taking profits. Don't get greedy. It's the stock market. So, based on those 3 points, I want you to understand the fact that the stock market is for investing. Swing trades, day trades, long-term trades, whatever it may be. It's not for hoping, it's not for gambling, it's not for wishing. You go in there with a plan. You know what you're going to buy. You know what you're going to sell. You've done your research. You know where you're going to cut losses if it takes a wrong turn. You know where you're going to take profits if it goes to plan. You don't just hope for the best, because that way you're not going to get anywhere. Trust me, if you want to be in the game for the long run, if you want to actually be profitable from the stock market, you've got to take these tips into consideration, and you've got to go in there knowing exactly what you're doing. Do your research, focus on what you need to do, and block out all the noise. Anyway, hopefully those tips are useful for you if you're investing in the stock market, if you're just getting new to it this year. But either way, that's it for today's video, guys. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, all the good stuff. Check out the links in the description. Also, there's a link to get started in the stock market. You can get a free stock there, so check that one out. I've got money to be making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.